Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and it doesn't matter if you will be on the recent or contacts, just tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got call blocking and block list, so let's tap on it, and here at the very bottom we've got the actual block list. But before we will enter it, let's take a look at those options above it. So here we can decide if we want to block numbers which are not on our contact list, so it's quite useful because your device will block actually all incoming calls which are not saved. So if you like to turn that on, just tap on the switcher next to it, and we can also block calls from hidden numbers. So let me activate that. Obviously you can turn off those options whenever you want to just by tapping on those switchers, but let me leave them activated, and let's enter the block list actually. So right now obviously it is empty. Let's tap on this plus icon, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can choose the number from our contact list, choose it from recent call logs. We can enter a number if it is not currently saved, or enter a SIP number. So let me pick first of all the contacts, and here we've been transferred to our contact list, so we can choose the number we want to block from currently saved ones. So let me pick this one, let's tap on it, and since it is marked, we can confirm it with tapping on this on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our block list, so it means that from now on this number is blocked and you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Let me enter also the number manually. Let's tap on it, and it is quite easy, simple. You have to just enter the number you want to block and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the same situation, it immediately appears on the block list. After tapping on the particular number, we will open much more settings. So as you can see, after tapping on LIN, in my case, I can decide if I want to block call and text messages. I can block calls only. I can view the contact or remove it from block list. So let me pick to block call and text messages, and as you can see, under it we've got the info about that. So let me pick, for example, block call only, and it is also notified. So in order to unblock the number, just tap on it and tap on remove from block list. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK and let me unblock this also. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.